Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Really cool pattern that is like a seamless pattern that you could do even more with. And if you'll take a screenshot of that right there, that's all you need. I'm going to use the graph paper tool. The graph paper tool is underneath your polygon flyout. I'm going to set it on 11 by 11, and I'm going to hold down the control button to get a perfect one. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page, and then I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. And if you will just copy this, we need 4 squares filled in each corner. I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill in those 4 squares. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and fill in those 4 squares. Then if you just look, it's one space between them and go to, you can make a corner and then get one more space between them. But then this time, go to that line and then just continue this line like that. Now this one, we're just going to make this is so easy because you just have to be 1 cube off. Now we use the graph paper tool so we can, I think I jiggled it. We can delete it. Let me get this out of the way. And I'm going to group this together, or I'm actually going to weld it together. That'll get rid of all the lines. I'm going to Control D and Alternate C to make it rotate from the center of the page. And I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. And there's your pattern. Oh, you know what? I inadvertently moved that. Well, I guess I didn't. I guess it's hollow in the middle. I was thinking I had done something wrong. Let's just delete this and then delete that. Control, and you could put squares in the middle now that I realize that. I don't know that it stayed, I backed up, so I'm going to weld it again, then Control D. Alternate C, which is my macro for rotating in the center, and then just rotate it 180 degrees. And you get that pattern. You know what? In the middle one, I had another dot. Um, you know, I did it over here, but I didn't do it over there. So let's just see what this looks like. I'm going to group that together, and I'm going to see what my nudge factor is set on 3. So I'm just going to make this 3 inches. And then let's zoom in here. And I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, move it over. And then let's group that together and change our nudge factor to 1.5. Now I'm going to make a duplicate and move it down and over. And then all you have to do, you can change your nudge factor back, but you just hit your down key twice. Then when you do that, you can just Control D forever and ever and ever. So I guess on this one, I did put a cube in the middle. In this one, I didn't. They both equally look the same. That's a pretty cool pattern. That would look better with a cube in the middle because it would kind of separate these 2 lines. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.